Hi, in this short video tutorial I will show you how to quickly trim the end of a video in a CapCut on a PC, Mac or laptop. So let's get started. First, we'll open the necessary project or video. Then we'll drag into the timeline. Next, move the cursor to the point where your clip should end. For example, it's right here. Then press W key on your keyboard or press delete right icon right here. This will remove all the video part located to the right of the cursor. That's all. Your video clip will be trimmed to the necessary length. See, it's very simple. I hope this lesson speeds up your editing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!